Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account, and realizing you're a millionaire at 26. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it wasn't luck, a lottery win, or some secret family trust fund. It was the result of one man's wisdom, Warren Buffett. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how studying Warren Buffett's wealth building principles completely transformed my financial life and how they can do the same for you. Now, I don't say this to brag, and I know this video will definitely get some hate. However, if I can help just one person by sharing the lessons I've learned from Buffett, it would make all the hard work that has gone into making this video worth it. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint that took me from 0 to 7 figures, all thanks to the Oracle of Omaha. Now let's dive in. I remembered when I first stumbled across Warren Buffett. I was a freshman in college, scrolling on YouTube one night. I had always been interested in making money and investing, but had never found a reliable wealth building playbook that actually made sense. Well, that all changed the night the wonderful YouTube algorithm introduced me to Buffett. I have since gone on to spend hundreds of hours devouring nearly every single piece of content on Warren Buffett. Those hundreds of hours can be condensed into this video and 4 key lessons from Buffett that made me a millionaire at 26. The first lesson from Warren Buffett is to work in a career with high leverage. Now let me explain what Buffett means with a quick story. At just 10 years old, a young Warren Buffett started his first job working at his grandfather's grocery store. Warren was essentially a helper, performing various tasks as needed, like stocking shelves, sweeping floors, and assisting customers. A young Warren Buffett would work grueling 10-hour days just for $2 a day. Warren started running the numbers and quickly came to a realization. Even if he worked 100 hours a week, at just 20 cents an hour, he would never be able to achieve his financial goals. This experience taught Buffett a lesson. If you want to get wealthy, it's much easier when you have a high-paying job. And the way you get a high-paying job is to work in a position where you have what is known as leverage. Put another way, you want to be working a job where your income is not tied directly to the number of hours you put in. Here's how to explain this concept of leverage when it comes to a career. Input times leverage equals output. Input are the hours of work you put in, and output is how much you are paid. You may not have thought about it this way, but this leverage factor is why some jobs barely pay the bills, and other careers can make someone a multimillionaire. Now let's compare Buffett's grocery store job to his job as a research analyst at his mentor Ben Graham's investment fund. In this role, Buffett was tasked with researching and identifying potentially attractive investments on behalf of the fund. Including performance-based bonuses, Buffett's annual pay at the job reached as much as $20,000 in 1954 dollars. This is over $230,000 in today's money. This is incredibly impressive when you consider Warren Buffett was only 24 at the time. Applying this lesson from Buffett to my own life was a big reason why I was able to hit the $1 million mark at just 26 years old. I currently work as a research analyst for a New York-based investment fund. In this role, a large portion of my pay is based on the investment profits I generate for the fund. The fact that my income is directly tied to my performance has allowed my income to scale up relatively quickly. However, you don't have to be a professional investor to apply this lesson from Buffett. Careers such as sales, small business ownership, and software engineering are still generally considered high-leverage careers, just to name a few. The second lesson from Warren Buffett that helped me get to the $1 million mark is the concept of monetizing your passion. Let me explain what this means. Warren Buffett is universally regarded as the greatest investor of all time. If you asked most people what made Buffett such a great investor, their answer would probably be something about his high level of intelligence. However, I do think that argument misses something extremely important. Yes, of course Warren Buffett is incredibly smart, and probably has the natural inclination to understand investing better than the average person. However, if you really understand Buffett's career, you will understand that intelligence isn't what separated him from everyone else. It was his passion for investing. This concept can be summed up perfectly with this quote from Buffett's late business partner, Charlie Munger. "You'll do better if you have a passion for something in which you have an aptitude." If Warren had gone into ballet, no one would have heard of him. But he found something he had a passion for, and he also had a considerable aptitude for it. I think you can accurately predict how people are going to do if you can see what they're really passionate about and whether they can turn that passion into something that helps other people. Believe it or not, This lesson about monetizing your passion was actually the inspiration for me starting this YouTube channel. I noticed that I was passionate about studying the world's greatest investors and was essentially spending all of my free time doing it. Additionally, as a full-time professional investor, it felt like I could provide a certain perspective that really didn't exist already on YouTube. This passion is the reason why I am willing to dedicate nights and weekends to creating this content for you guys. Without being super passionate about investing, there is no way the channel would have grown to its current size. If you are interested in starting your own YouTube channel, you should check out TubeMagic, the sponsor of today's video. The TubeMagic software makes starting and scaling a YouTube channel easier using the power of AI. TubeMagic has a built-in keyword research function allowing you to sort by search volume, competition, and magic score, which automatically finds the best keywords for video ideas. Speaking of video ideas, the Video Ideas tool within TubeMagic allows you to drop in any channel link, and TubeMagic will generate amazing, unique ideas related to that channel. The software can write scripts and script outlines using AI and optimize your videos instantly by placing unlisted video links, and it will generate title, description, and optimized tags. The TubeMagic software was created by YouTuber Matt Parr. Matt runs the Make Money Matt channel along with 12 different channels and has been doing YouTube since he was 14. Lots of huge YouTubers are using this tool to grow their channels. So to try it out for completely free, click the link in the description. Now let's get back into the video. The third lesson from Buffett that helped make me a millionaire is to find where you have an edge and stick to that. When Warren Buffett was growing up, he had a wide range of what would now be called side hustles. Warren Buffett was around 7 years old when he first read the book, 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000. The book inspired him to think creatively about ways to earn money and contributed to his early entrepreneurial ventures. Many of these ventures were incredibly successful for someone under the age of 18. These things included everything from selling magazines door to door, to selling used golf balls, to even a car detailing business, just to name a few. It's fair to say that Buffett dabbled in many different ways of making money growing up. That all changed when he discovered investing. After spending a couple of years working at his mentor Ben Graham's investment fund, Buffett launched his own investing partnership at just 25 years old. Buffett realized he was extremely talented at picking stocks and investing and went all in on growing his business. This is what he dedicated all of his time to. He wasn't doing 3 or 4 different side hustles while still trying to grow his investment partnership. Decades later, Buffett would be asked to describe what was the biggest influence in making him rich in just one word. His response? Focus. As a quick side note, as a thank you for watching this video and supporting the channel, I've put together a completely free downloadable checklist that covers Warren Buffett's investment strategy. This is Buffett's exact checklist that he has developed over decades that has helped him pick winning stocks. Make sure to download it at the link in the description of this video because it's my free gift to you and I know it will be helpful. So back to the topic of finding where you have an edge and sticking to it, I've applied this same lesson to my own investment strategy and it has resulted in me being able to hit my financial goals earlier than I ever would have expected. The majority of my net worth is in real estate. Following Buffett's advice and identifying where you have an edge and sticking to it, I am ultra focused on my approach to investing in real estate. Over time, I have been able to develop what Buffett calls a circle of competence and make sure not to veer outside of that circle. I only invest in a certain type of real estate within a certain part of one particular state. By being ultra focused, it has allowed me to become an expert in this space. I can now identify highly attractive investment opportunities that I would have easily missed had I not found where I had an edge and stuck to it. The fourth lesson from Warren Buffett on building wealth is to reduce your housing expense. For the overwhelming majority of most people, housing is their biggest monthly cost. This means that if you want to be able to build wealth, you need to pay close attention to how much you are spending on housing each month. If you recall from earlier in the video, when Warren Buffett was fresh out of college, he was making $20,000 a year at his job in New York City. At the time, for reference, the median household income in the United States was just $4,200. At just 24 years old, Buffett was making nearly 5 times the median household income. With this income, Buffett and his wife could have easily afforded to live in nearly any neighborhood of New York City. However, Buffett had a goal of becoming a millionaire by 35 years old, and he wasn't about to let lifestyle inflation get in his way. Instead of living in a trendy neighborhood in a fancy apartment, Buffett and his wife lived in the Washington Heights neighborhood of New York City. For those of you who aren't familiar, Washington Heights is very much a working class area of New York City. In fact, even today, rents in this neighborhood are roughly half of the typical Manhattan apartment. Buffett was able to take the money he saved on rent and invest it, helping him reach financial freedom in his mid-20s. When I heard this story about Buffett in his early 20s, I knew I had to find a way to reduce my housing cost. To do this, I purchased a 2-unit building shortly after graduating college with money I had saved up from working while going to school. I rented out the unit I wasn't living in, and the rent from that unit covered my mortgage payment, property taxes, and homeowner's insurance. This simple decision allowed me to dramatically reduce my housing cost and turbocharge my ability to save and invest money. As an added bonus, this property has appreciated around $150,000 since I purchased it. If you've made it this far in the video, it is obvious you are serious about making money and investing. If that is the case, make sure to check out this video because it covers why Warren Buffett says hitting the $100,000 net worth mark is the magic number to getting rich. I will see you over there.